Microsoft's good news, a strong start. Microsoft has been doing very well lately. The company has made a lot of money. People are happy with how Microsoft is growing. Many parts of Microsoft are helping it do well. They sell many different things. These things include computer programs and online services. Microsoft also sells game systems. The company works hard to make new and better products for everyone. This helps them stay strong in the world of technology. In the past few months, Microsoft showed good numbers. These numbers tell us how much money the company made. They also tell us if the company is making more money than before. For Microsoft, the news has been mostly good. They are making more money than they did last year. This is a good sign for the company. It shows that their plans are working. Many people watch these numbers closely. One big reason for Microsoft's success is its focus on new ideas. They are always looking for new ways to help people. This includes businesses and people at home. Things like cloud services and artificial intelligence are very important. Microsoft is a leader in these areas. This leadership helps them to earn more money. It also helps them to grow bigger and stronger as a company. The company is also known for its popular products. Many people use Windows computers. Many people use Office programs like Word and Excel. Xbox is a famous game system made by Microsoft. LinkedIn helps people find jobs and connect with others. All these parts of Microsoft work together. They help the company achieve great things. We will look at how they are doing. Big money Microsoft's earnings in early 2025. Let's look at some numbers from late 2024. This was the first part of Microsoft's 2025 business year. In the 3 months ending September 2024, Microsoft made a lot of money. The total money they brought in was $65.6 billion. This is called revenue. This amount was 16% more than the same time in the year before. This is a big jump. It shows that more people are buying Microsoft's things. After paying its costs, Microsoft still had a lot of money left. The money made from its main business before some taxes was $30.6 billion. This is called operating income. This was 14% more than the year before. The final profit, called net income, was also very high. It was $24.7 billion. This was 11% more than the year before. These are very big numbers. They show Microsoft is very good at making money. This good news made the people who own parts of Microsoft happy. When a company makes more money, its parts, called shares, can become more valuable. For each share, Microsoft earned $3.30. This was 10% more than the year before. This is good for investors. It means their investment in Microsoft is doing well. Microsoft is showing strong growth. This is important for a big company. Comparing this to other times, Microsoft has been growing steadily. For example, in the 3 months before that, ending June 2024, their revenue was $64.7 billion. So they continued to make even more money in the next period. The company's leaders said they were happy with these results. They believe their plans for the future are working. This makes everyone feel positive about Microsoft. Up in the cloud, how Microsoft makes money online. A very big part of Microsoft's success comes from something called the cloud. Microsoft Cloud is like renting computer power and storage online. Many businesses use this. It helps them run their own computer programs without buying many machines. Microsoft Cloud made $38.9 billion in the first part of its 2025 business year. This was 22% more than the same time last year. This is a huge amount of money from one part of the business. One important part of Microsoft Cloud is called Azure. Azure gives businesses many tools and services online. Azure grew even faster. Its revenue went up by 33%. This means many more companies are choosing Azure for their needs. The cloud business is very important for Microsoft. It helps them make a lot of money. It is also a business that is growing very fast all over the world. The part of Microsoft that includes Azure is called Intelligent Cloud. This part alone made $24.1 billion in revenue. It also made a profit of $11.1 billion from its main work. This shows how strong the cloud business is for Microsoft. They are investing a lot in making their cloud services better. They want to offer the best tools for businesses of all sizes. This focus on the cloud is a key plan for Microsoft. The company leader Satya Nadella talks a lot about the cloud. He says it is helping businesses change how they work. It helps them become more modern and do things faster. Microsoft's cloud success shows that many businesses agree. They are using Microsoft's cloud to help them grow and succeed in their own work. Smart Computers AI helps Microsoft grow. Microsoft is also very focused on something called artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is about making computers think and learn in smart ways. Microsoft is putting AI into many of its products. They believe AI can help people and businesses do amazing things. CEO Satya Nadella has said that using AI on a big scale is very important. It is helping Microsoft grow and come up with new ideas. AI is changing how people work. For example, Microsoft has tools with AI that can help write emails, or they can help find information very quickly. These tools are part of products like Microsoft 365. Businesses are using these AI tools to help their workers be more productive. This means they can do more work in less time. This is very valuable for companies. The growth in cloud services like Azure is also linked to AI. Many companies use Azure to build their own AI tools. Microsoft provides the powerful computers and software needed for this. As more companies want to use AI, they use more of Microsoft's cloud services. So, AI is helping the cloud business grow even faster. This is a smart plan by Microsoft. Microsoft is investing a lot of money in AI research. They want to be a leader in this new field. They believe AI will be a big part of the future of technology. By focusing on AI now, Microsoft hopes to keep growing for many years. The early results show that this focus is already helping them make more money. It is also making their products more useful for customers. Section 5 Games Galore, the big impact of Activision Blizzard. Microsoft is also big in the world of video games. They make the Xbox game system. Recently, Microsoft bought a very large game company called Activision Blizzard. This company makes famous games like Call of Duty and World of Warcraft. This purchase was very big. It cost Microsoft about $69 billion. It was finished in the early part of 2024. This big purchase has made a big difference to Microsoft's game business. The money Microsoft makes from Xbox content and services went up a lot. In the first part of its 2025 business year, this revenue grew by 61%. A very large part of this growth, 53 points, came directly from adding Activision Blizzard's games. This means that buying the new game company quickly brought in more money. Before buying Activision Blizzard, Microsoft's game business was already big, but now it is much bigger. They have many more popular games. They also have many more people playing their games. This helps them sell more games and more services like online game subscriptions. The company hopes this will make their Xbox business even stronger in the future. This shows that Microsoft is thinking about many ways to grow. They are not just focused on business software or the cloud, they also see a lot of opportunity in entertainment like video games. The Activision Blizzard deal was a big step. It shows Microsoft is serious about being a top player in the gaming world. This helps them reach more customers. Section 6. Sharing the money, what Microsoft gives to its owners. When a company like Microsoft does well and makes a lot of money, it often shares some of that money with its owners. The owners of a big company are the people who have bought its shares. These people are called shareholders. Microsoft has a history of giving money back to its shareholders. This is one way a company can thank people for investing in them. In the first part of its 2025 business year, Microsoft returned $9 billion to its shareholders. They did this in two main ways. One way is by paying dividends. A dividend is a small amount of money paid for each share someone owns. If you own 10 shares, you get 10 times that small amount. Microsoft pays dividends regularly to its shareholders. The other way Microsoft returns money is by buying back its own stock. This means Microsoft uses some of its money to buy its own shares from the open market. When the company buys back shares, there are fewer shares available. This can sometimes help make the remaining shares more valuable. It is another way to give value back to the people who own the shares. This practice of returning money to shareholders is important. It shows that the company is financially healthy. It also shows that the company cares about its investors. For people who invest in Microsoft, these returns are a good benefit. It makes owning Microsoft shares more attractive. It shows that Microsoft is not just growing, but also sharing its success with those who support it. Section 7. Microsoft's place in the cloud world. The cloud services market is very big. Many companies want a piece of it. Microsoft is one of the biggest players in this market with its Azure platform. In the first part of 2025, Microsoft held about 22% of the global cloud services market. This means that for every $100 spent on cloud services worldwide, $22 went to Microsoft. This makes them the second largest cloud provider. This market share of 22% was a little bit higher than the 21% they had at the end of 2024. However, it was a bit lower than the 25% they had in early 2024. So, while Microsoft is very strong, the market is always changing. There is a lot of competition. The biggest cloud provider is Amazon Web Services, often called AWS. Google Cloud is another big competitor. Together, Microsoft, AWS, and Google Cloud are very dominant. They control about 63% of the entire global cloud services market. This means these three companies are the main choices for businesses looking for cloud solutions. Microsoft is working hard to keep its strong position. They are adding new services and features to Azure. They are also trying to attract more customers by showing how Azure can help with new things like AI. Being a top player in the cloud market is very important for Microsoft's future. The cloud is where many businesses are moving their computer systems. It is a market that is expected to keep growing for many years. By having a large share, Microsoft can continue to earn a lot of revenue and profit from this trend. Their battle with AWS and Google Cloud will be interesting to watch. Section 8. Not all smooth sailing. Some challenges for Microsoft. While Microsoft has had a lot of good news, there have also been some challenges. Not every part of the company is growing as fast as others. For example, the money made from selling Xbox game machines, the hardware, has gone down. In the 3 months ending June 2024, Xbox hardware sales fell by 42%. This is a big drop. It means fewer people were buying new Xbox consoles at that time. This decline in hardware sales is a concern. Even though game content and services revenue went up a lot, thanks to Activision Blizzard, selling the consoles themselves is still important. It gets more people into the Xbox world. Microsoft is likely thinking about how to make its hardware sales stronger. This could mean new console versions or different pricing in the future. Another challenge has been managing its large workforce. After buying Activision Blizzard, Microsoft became an even bigger company with many more employees. Sometimes when companies merge or when sales in one area decline, they have to make hard decisions about jobs. Microsoft had some layoffs, especially in its gaming division. This happened partly because of the Activision Blizzard deal and also due to the falling Xbox hardware sales. These challenges show that even a very successful company like Microsoft faces difficulties. They have to constantly adapt to changes in the market. They need to manage their costs and make sure all parts of their business are performing well. While the overall picture for Microsoft is very positive, these bumps remind us that success requires ongoing effort and smart decisions to overcome any problems that arise. Section 9. Looking ahead. Microsoft's future path. Overall, Microsoft is in a very strong financial position. The company has shown consistent growth in the money it makes. Its share price has also been going up, which is good for investors. The recent numbers from late 2024 and early 2025 show that Microsoft's main plans are working very well. They are making more money and more profit than before. This is a sign of a healthy company. The focus on Microsoft Cloud, especially Azure, continues to be a major reason for this success. As more businesses move online, Microsoft is there to help them. The growth in AI is another big push. Microsoft believes AI will change everything, and they want to lead the way. The big purchase of Activision Blizzard has also given a big boost to their gaming business, especially in game sales and services online. Microsoft is also committed to giving back to its shareholders. They regularly pay dividends and buy back stock. This shows they are confident about their future earnings. While there are some challenges like lower Xbox hardware sales and competition in the cloud market, Microsoft seems well prepared to handle them. They are a very large company with many smart people working on new ideas. Looking to the future, Microsoft will likely continue to focus on cloud computing and AI. These are seen as the biggest areas for growth. They will also work to make their gaming division even more profitable. For customers, this means we can expect more new and exciting products and services from Microsoft. The company is on a path of innovation and growth, aiming to stay at the top of the tech world for years to come.